Good morning everyone, I'm Jonal Uy and welcome to our Gadget Gambit Unbox. And for this episode, we're going to unbox something very fresh from Samsung. Tanan! It's the Samsung S10
Few
Plus.
hours
Ago, Samsung unveiled worldwide or globally its newest, its flagship S10 line, which consists of the S10, S10 Plus, and S10e. So let's unbox it. This, by the way, this is a demo unit. So it comes with a white box. It doesn't look like your retail Samsung phone box. Chargers. Tanan! This is the S10 Plus. Yan. One of the core difference externally from the S9 would be from the Samsung Infinity display. Now it's Infinity O display. Okay, still with the curved
For the
edges.
details of the spec, kindly check out gadgetgambit.com.
Alright, for today, we'll focus more on its prices here in the Philippines and the availability. It retails for 39,990. The S10 retails at 49,990. And this S10 Plus retails at 55,990. I say the price, the value matches the price if you check out the specs at gadgetgambit.com. Alright? For availability, it will be available to the public starting March 8, 2019. But as early as now, you can already do some pre-orders. There's also a limited edition S10 Plus Ceramic Black with 1 terabyte storage, which will be available via pre-order at 89,990. Okay? That's the special edition S10 Plus Ceramic Black with 1 terabyte of storage. Now let me give you a close-up look of the S10 Plus. Yeah. So it has 3 cameras at the back and 2 cameras in front. Check out the details at gadgetgambit.com. That's our brief unboxing for the new S10 Plus. Again, this is Jonal Uy. Thank you for joining our Gadget Gambit Unbox. Bye!
Don't waste my time. Let's get it.